Hey guys, before you skip this video, I want you to take a few minutes of your time and watch this groove. So we'll be learning how to play this Ghanaian song very easy. Okay, trust in yourself. At the end of this video, you'll be able to play this song very easy. Okay, I want you to watch the video to the end so that you understand how to use the bass line and multi-cheat you in this same song or in any other song you find out there. Okay, this is a Ghanaian song. That doesn't mean you can't watch this video. Okay, just understand the progression of this song and how I flowed with it, and you can use this bass line, the fills and the riff in your own local song. Okay, if you're also new to this YouTube channel, you're welcome. I want you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, click on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. I also do private class lesson. If you're interested, you see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link to take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay, so guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the tutorial. So as I said earlier, I'll be breaking this song very easy for you. Okay, so before you want to play something like this, you need to understand the progression from A to B, from B to C, C to D. You understand? So that when you are playing this, it'll be very easy. There won't be any pressure for you. Okay, so let me first break down the progression of the song, then we will know how we can be applying all those kind of things I played in the song. Okay, so let's look at the progression of the song. So that was the progression. Okay, in my way, I decided to change the progression a little bit. You understand? So let me just take you to the easy way, then gradually you know how I changed the progression and you know the exact progression to that. Okay, so this is a simple song. Okay, oh yeah, oh yeah, da 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 da. Okay, first of all, before you be applying all, you want to learn how to play all those kind of fills and stuff. Think of you playing the song steadily. Okay, so we won't be playing those kind of fills. Let's play it cool and see how to roll on the song. Okay. Oh yeah. So now you won't be playing anything, you won't be playing any fills. You understand? Just concentrate on the progression, know where you are going to. You understand? So from your 1, you know that you'll be going to your 4. To make it simple, just be plucking oh yeah, dum 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 dum. Do that to all the progression. Da 1 1 1 1 3 3 da 4 4. You understand? Da 1 1 1 1 6 6 6 6 2 2 2 2 5 5. Oh yeah, 1 2 3. Oh yeah, your 4 and to your 2. Da 5 5 5 1. You understand? Okay, so just practice with this for the start alone. If your fingers aren't that strong in you playing this kind of song, just work on it using just one note. Dun, 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 dun. So you'll be going from 1, oh yeah, 3, oh yeah, 4, da da 1, da da 6, da da 2, da da 5. Oh yeah, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Oh yeah, 4, 2. Oh yeah, 5. Oh yeah, 5. Oh yeah. Then back to your 1. Okay.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, make your oh yeah, yes, oh now yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah too, oh yeah.
Okay, I hope you got that. Okay, so now let's look at everything about this groove. You understand? Oh yeah, oh yeah, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3. You understand? So from your 1 to your 3, we are still on 1 progression. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 3. So you can slide to your 3. Remember, you can use this anywhere. Okay, so okay, 1, 1, 1, 1, 3. Then to your 4. Okay, so if you're using the 4 string, just continue on the next note. 3, 4. But if you're using the 5 string, play your 4 here. You understand? So oh yeah, your 3. Oh yeah, da, da. From my 4, I'll be going to my 1. So I decided to use this passing note to guide me to my 1. So 4, 4, 6, da, da. You understand? It'll be cool if you do it 4, 4, 4. You understand? So you can just bring in the 6, 7, 1. Remember, okay, so just put it in your mind. Oh yeah, 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3. Oh yeah, 4, 4, 4, 4. Da da. So 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 1. Then now you'll be going to your main progression, that is to your 6. From your 1 to your 6. Da, na. So here is the passing note 2, 3, 6. Now you're playing a fill to your 2, 2, 3. Sorry, 2, 3, 6, 6. Da, 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 da. 6, 6, 6, 7, 1, 3, 2. Then to your 5, 3, 4, 6, 5. Remember, we're on 6. Then 2, 5. So any song 6, 6, 6. Da, 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 da. You understand? 6, 7, 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 5. Oh yeah, your 3. Oh yeah, da da. So you play 6, 6, 6 like 3 times. 1, okay. 6, 6, 6, 7, 1, 3, 2, 2, 2. Before you go to your 5, 3, 4, 6, 5, 5. Oh yeah. Then back to your 1. Okay, so let's move to the oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, so that is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3. So you can decide to go with the voice. So I played a riff over here. Okay, so this is normally it is played everywhere. So 1, 3, 2, 4, 3. Oh yeah. Then to your 4. So you want to add the riff to what I just played right now. So go. Oh yeah. You understand? Okay. So it is 3. It is 1, 3, 2, 4, 3. You understand? 1, 3, 2, 4. Then you play 3, 4, 5, 7, 1. You understand? So from your dun, 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 then you'll be going to your 4 progression. Okay, so da 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 da, oh yeah, 4 da da da. Then to your 2, remember 4 4 4 5 6 2, oh yeah, 4 5 5 5 5 5 5 5, then 1. You understand? But I will be showing you something on that place. Oh yeah, there is another way you can play it, so stick to the end and know how to change your groove. Da ra 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 ra. Oh yeah, 4 4 4 5 6 2 2 2 4 5 5 5. You understand? Then 5 5 1. You understand? Okay, so now at the start of the video, I changed a certain place progression. I want you to learn the first progression, that is this one we just learned, and also this one I'm about to teach you. Okay, so let me play it and see the difference. Oh yeah, you'll be going to your 3. Oh yeah, so now you'll be going to your 5 sharp. Da da na na. So you see the difference between the first progression. So from your 4 to your 5 sharp, your 5, then to your 5. The difference, da da, then back to your 1. You see the difference, okay? At the main groove I started with the video, this was what I played. This was the main groove I played. So you saw me applied a lick over here. Something like that. You understand? So let me just break it down for you, okay? Oh yeah. You can do that. 1 2 3 7 1 3 4. You understand? 4 4 4 4. Okay, so let me break it down for you. So when you're done with your 4, let me just teach you this easy way, okay? So your 4, you'll be going to your 5 sharp. So I did a lick over there. That is 5 sharp. You understand? So you play. So this 2 note is your 5 and your 5 sharp. So okay. So 5, your 5 sharp and your 5, okay? Then 4 3. You're descending to your 6, okay? So da 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 7. So 4 3 2 1 7 6 6 1 7 6. Then to your 2, okay? Da 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 3 4 6 5. Oh yeah. So now the oh yeah, I didn't play da 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 da. I played oh yeah. So that is from my 5 5 5 5 6. You understand? Then 2, then you climb 3 4 2 5. You understand? So oh yeah. You understand? So 3 4 5 5 da 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 da. You understand? So oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. You understand? Okay. So 1 7 6 6 6 7 1 3 2 3 1 4. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You understand? Okay, so the main groove I started with this video, mostly the main groove I started with was for my private student, which I'll be breaking it for them very soon. Okay, so actually this is how to play this song. Check out the progression, flow with the progression, and play simple. You understand? So da 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 So I've given you two ways. Oh yeah, da, 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 da. Then 3 4. Oh yeah. See, so two ways. So it's not like when you mix this song and you have to groove on this same song, you'll be playing the throughout. You can just change it. Oh yeah, da da da. Then to your 2 3 4, then 5, then you end the song. Okay, so this is what I have for you. Try and write everything down, okay, and understand the progression before you go deeply into the notes and the groove. You understand? Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys. Bye for now.
Oh yeah, make your ass oh yeah, that's all down here. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah too, oh yeah. Oh, I never love the nation.